Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. Under the restrictions of US rules, non-US suppliers such as ASML have been greatly affected. Not only US companies, as long as they use US technology, they must abide by US rules. Otherwise, ASML may also be subject to technical sanctions by the United States, and the company will be shut down. Seeing that the Netherlands will implement the export control plan for DUV lithography machines on September 1st, ASML and supplier parts suppliers have announced that they will increase the layout of the Chinese market. This is a collective betrayal. Foreign media: things are getting worse. The importance of the Chinese market to ASML. ASML is a Dutch semiconductor equipment manufacturer that mainly produces lithography machines and related equipment. It is the world's largest lithography machine giant. The lithography machine is one of the key equipment for chip production. It can transfer the chip design pattern to the silicon wafer and is an indispensable tool in the chip manufacturing process. With such core equipment manufacturing capabilities, ASML has long stood at the top of the pyramid in the chip manufacturing industry. Chip manufacturers in various countries and regions must find ASML to purchase lithography machines if they want to manufacture chips. In particular, China is increasing the layout of the chip manufacturing industry and greatly increasing production capacity. It plans to achieve the goal of 70% chip self-sufficiency in 2025. Therefore, it is very necessary to maintain cooperation with ASML, and ASML also needs to do business in the Chinese market. In the Chinese market, ASML has maintained a strong momentum of development. In the second quarter of this year, ASML shipped 27 lithography machines to the mainland, a full increase of 14 lithography machines compared with the shipment of 13 lithography machines in the first quarter. The proportion of revenue also increased from 8% in the first quarter to 24% in the second quarter, which shows the importance of the Chinese market to ASML. If ASML wants to maintain a stable revenue growth trend, the Chinese market cannot be missed. ASML and its suppliers have turned back collectively. The Netherlands has decided to implement the export control plan for DUV lithography machines on September 1st. At that time, only a few old products can be shipped, and advanced mainstream equipment must obtain an export license. Seeing that the time for the implementation of the rules is getting closer, before the implementation of the rules, ASML and component suppliers have announced that they will increase their presence in the Chinese market, which is a collective betrayal. Separately, ASML said that not all DUV lithography machines will be restricted from shipments, and the demand from other customers has declined, and more shipments can be arranged to China. There is also KMWE, a Dutch lithography machine part supplier, who wants to build a factory in mainland China to avoid the technical restrictions of the United States. KMWE is a high-end manufacturing company headquartered in the Netherlands, focusing on areas such as precision manufacturing, machining and assembly. The company also has certain strength in the field of lithography machine manufacturing, providing ASML with advanced lithography machine parts. The lithography machine manufacturing industry in mainland China has always been subject to the technical restrictions of the United States, so the establishment of localized lithography machine manufacturing capabilities has always been regarded as the key to the development of China's chip industry. KMWE's establishment of a factory in mainland China will provide China's chip manufacturing industry with more localized lithography machine manufacturing capabilities, help China's chip industry get rid of its dependence on imported equipment, and improve its independent innovation capabilities and core competitiveness. The actions of ASML and KMWE are expressing their willingness to cooperate in increasing the layout of the Chinese market and their willingness to contribute to the development of China's chip industry. The importance of China's chip industry to the global industrial chain is gradually recognized, which makes ASML and KMWE have to grasp the Chinese market. Although there are rules, as long as you increase your shipments within the scope allowed by the rules, you can still earn a lot of sales. No one will have trouble with money. The top leaders of the United States and the Netherlands have reached an agreement to cut off their financial resources. Naturally, they must find a way to solve it. The implementation of the new lithography regulations is imminent. How should China respond? The countdown to the implementation of the new regulations in the Netherlands has entered the countdown. China can open the door to cooperation, and can provide ASML and KMWE with the desired lithography equipment orders and opportunities to make money. But we must recognize the reality. Foreign technology is foreign after all. ASML will help Chinese customers meet their needs, but it cannot help China break through the core technical problems of lithography machines. Maybe ASML does not want China to develop its own lithography machine, so that it can always ask him to purchase lithography machine equipment. Based on the principle of self-reliance, how will China respond to the imminent implementation of new lithography regulations? Perhaps measures can be taken from multiple aspects. On the one hand, China can continue to increase investment and support for the local chip industry, strengthen the improvement of independent innovation capabilities, and reduce dependence on imported equipment, thereby reducing the impact of Dutch export controls on China's chip industry. Influence. On the other hand, China can increase investment in independent research and development of lithography machines, improve localized lithography machine manufacturing capabilities, and narrow the technological gap with the Netherlands. At the same time, it is also possible to maintain technological competitiveness by strengthening international cooperation and cooperating with other lithography machine manufacturers to develop lithography machine technology. In addition, it is also a breakthrough to negotiate with the Netherlands and ASML to obtain more export licenses to ensure the normal development of China's chip industry. If the Netherlands can change its mind, many problems can be properly resolved. If the Netherlands insists on cooperating with the United States, China has room for countermeasures. China needs Dutch lithography machines, and the Netherlands also needs Chinese materials. China started by restricting the export of materials to let the Netherlands understand what the cost of undermining free trade is. Some foreign media said, "Things have become serious, and all parties are stepping up their actions." Private companies are fighting for market share, and high-level executives in various countries are launching more intense chip wars, which will eventually turn into resource wars. Although the United States and other Western countries have advanced chip technology, China also has rich rare metal resources. The game is not over yet, and it remains to be seen who will win. If you agree with the point of view of this video, please like it, welcome to Forward, leave a message and share.